Happy Saturday morning. My name is Jeff from With Jeff, but this is not a With Jeff episode. It's just an unboxing. I got in the mail the other day. Hold on one second. Well, that should have worked, but it won't let me flip while I'm recording. Hold on. I got this package in the mail today, or yesterday, and I'm now going to open it. So if you will hold tight, I will pull from this bag. I don't know where it's from. It's international anyway. And it looks like it's red in color, which might be appropriate because today is a Liverpool match day. They are playing Arsenal in the a charity cup or some other cup. But let's see what this shirt is. Oh, I think I know what it is. That's right. It's from 1Password. My password company sent me a t-shirt. I love it. 1Password.com. Well, that's nice. A little t-shirt in the mail, and it's Liverpool red. That's perfect. What else did I get? Oh, some stickers for my laptop. That's pretty cool. If you'd like a sticker, get in touch with me. I'm on Twitter at Jeff Cutler or over on Facebook at the Jeff Cutler. Let's see what else I got. Oh, I got a big sticker. I like that. Oh, and then a 1Password. A gift card. Wow, the gift of security. All right, that's cool. Because the paid version of 1Password lets you sync across different devices. And it's really cool. So that's it. Bunch of swag, courtesy of 1Password.com. Talk to you soon.